Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are well. So today we are going to talk about another brand new machine design. This is KN95 ear-loop sealing machine. This is a chain type design. So let me show you first what is included in the project folder. So here you can see assembly steps, then Solidworks 2D and 3D design. So here are the design part file. So you will get each and every part details of the machine, and the advantage of this machine is this is not that complicated what you are looking at. So the biggest file is this one, and we opened this one is 10.5 MB. So after opening this one we have got this one. Okay, so let me show you the part file, is there any missing or not. So let me check from here. It looks good, there is no missing file. And let me show you 3D view at first before starting our video. Okay, so let's see from different angle. This is the bottom side. Actually there is nothing, just some boxes. And then this is the top side is also there is nothing, just hidden with a sheet. And there is a glass structure, and this place is secured because the open mechanism, the chain type mechanism, if open, anybody can put their hand inside or it will be dirty or something. That's why they made these boxes to protect the machine from the dust and any possible injuries. So let's stop it and disassemble this machine, and let me show you what is included. At first I'm gonna hide this part, and you can see, now you can see the inside mechanism. Okay, so here is the inside mechanism. So two sides there are two robotic hand. Here you can see one robotic hand in this side, another robotic hand in this side. Okay, so let me rotate it a little bit with this tool, and you can see there is a chain in the top side, and there is a gear mechanism, and with the gear it is like rotating like this, and there is a big chain here. Okay, and the main mechanism of this chain is taking mask from the like feeder. Okay, one by one. It can be the manual feeder because this is like folding type sealing. So here you need one person who can feed the mask one by one on the chain, and this chain is rotatable and it is like moving every second. So it is like automatic moving chain, and after coming here it just seal the ear loop from both sides. Okay, that's the mechanism. So let me show you from different angle, you can more understand it. See, all right, so here are two robotic hand. Let's hide those two robotic hand first, then see what is inside. And these robotic hands like very useful, used in many machine type, many kind of machines. So if you can make one robotic hand like this from this design, you can use the same robotic hand in different operations. So it's up to you. I hope you will understand more better than me, because many professional guys are watching my video, I know. And this time like let me zoom a little bit and hide the robotic hand from the right side. Okay, so here is a big supporting case. Let's hide this thing and see what is inside. So inside we have found one motor here, and this motor is like connected with the chain, and by the help of this motor the chain is rotating and moving. Okay, here you can see the chain. Here is the pinion, motor pinion. Here is the axle of the motor, supporting frame. Let's hide one by one. Let's hide these two supporting frame. Now rotate it a little bit, then you will understand what is happening inside. Okay, you can see 4 pneumatic working here. Let me zoom in and show you a little bit closer. And this pneumatic is sealing the earloop. After coming here, these 2 head is punching at the same time and sealing the earloop. Okay, so hide this pneumatic too. By the way, if you wanna make this machine, all the spare parts, full ready sets are available, made in China, shipped from China. So if you are going to make this machine and you are thinking this is time consuming and difficult to produce all small parts, you can purchase this machine spare parts ready-made from China, and I can help you to do that. We have office in Shenzhen, China, and we can arrange the shipment from Shenzhen, China to your country, to your destination. After payment, it needs around 5 working days to arrange shipment by DHL or FedEx. Okay, so if you are interested to purchase spare parts, not only for this machine but also for other machines, you are welcome to contact me. Here you can see the motor. This motor is connected with axle. This axle is like moving or rotating. So the big pinion is here. This is actually rotating all the mask all together by the help of chain. So this chain is interconnected, and like I'm going to hide all chain and all the mask prototype by one click. Let me zoom out a little bit because I'm going to hide a big part. Big part is like this. Okay, so all selected areas I'm going to hide. You can see those are already hidden. So it looks like it's a very fast earloop sealing unit mechanism and pretty straightforward and easy to make. So if you are interested to produce mask and you're concerned about semi-automatic earloop sealing system, then this machine would be a good choice for you. And hope this video would be helpful, and if you need this design, you're welcome to contact with me and visit our design shop. Hope you will find more interesting design soon, and please follow our YouTube channel, and please also follow and subscribe our update and notifications options from our website. Every time we update new design in our website, even sometimes I offer free designs, then you can get it as soon as possible, because every time I'm offering something that has a limit, like 50 or 100 people get the design free. So if you are lucky enough and come first, then you will get the design from me. Okay, so I will come back again inshallah with new design, interesting design. Hope so see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.